85% of companies have accelerated their digitization. Similarly, around 67% of companies have accelerated automation and AI-based solutions. They are really deploying new ways to get the best for the employees and users, both in terms of work, given the current remote working challenges. So what has this led to? This has led to three, four things, right? You saw what happened with Microsoft Teams. We saw what happened with Slack. We saw what happened with Zoom. These three are the new user experiences. People are going to do it. They are driving the full smart collaboration platforms, I call it. These will become the baseline for most employees for years to come. Now, if you look at specifically at the AI, how it has been adopting, we are now in 2020, going to 2021, with the conversational AI solutions, I call the third generation solutions. They are much more advanced and they are very context aware. They can understand intents, what you call the intent disambiguation, conflicting intents, exceptional handling, and many solutions in this area, particularly solutions that I represent from ISRA, can have come with a domain specific content. Domain could be IT, HR, customer support, sales, marketing. So their virtual assistant solutions can provide in a short time very good resolution deflections without having to spend 9 to 12 months to get any reasonable accurate solutions. And this helps you save in costs, resources, and finally provide the value to the users. Given all this, where do we think the world is going? I think we think that both IT and service desk or help desk in some organizations they call it, we think this both of these will be fully automated to some extent. We think many of these requests will be deflected and resolved automatically without humans in the loop. That can be as much as 50% to 70% deflection resolution we are seeing out there. So once you have a solution from ISRA which does the automation of IT and service desk, the ticketing systems that are optimized traditionally for agents, now it will be optimized on employees and users. And that's a new solution that we are talking about called conversational AI and RPA solutions.